back to the edge of, oh god, I hate myself for saying this, being a good boy. I'm your host, Swift Edge, don't flame me in the comments. And today we are back with the scariest dog on YouTube, or so some people have said. We're back inside the channel of Dog Nightmares, and we watched the first few videos, looking at 8 of them, that were put up in this series. And we've got 4 others that I have not yet seen, and one that came out not that long ago, and I'm ready to get scared by this creepy humanoid kind of dog. I hope you are too. Hope you got your snacks, hope you got your drinks.
Hope you found your water today.
We're gonna go ahead and watch, but first we're gonna do a quick shout out to some of the members in this amazing community. Shout out to the King Devil, Fran Toastin, Dylan Pusher, Hit Movie 2, and the Dino King 1. Thank you all for being part of this community. Love you all very much. Thank you for continuing to be here and supporting. It means a lot to me, and I look forward to the many adventures ahead with all of you. Now, without further ado, let's get scared by this dog. Now, of course, we're starting with Dog Nightmares 2, Chapter 2, What Do You Do? And this is a teaser, I think, of what's
I want to tell you a story.
To come in this chapter.
A story on how I met my best friend.
Is it a good story? Can it please be a good story?
We
Happy
would
story?
go on some amazing adventures together.
The music's taking a turn. I don't like it.
He's very tall, and he likes to hide in dark places.
That's not a good friend. Show yourself to the light.
He could be shy sometimes, but I don't mind.
Do you see him right
He
there?
could be shy sometimes, but I don't mind.
Mm-mm. Why you gotta have the demonic growl?
Oh, I think that's him. I have to go now.
I think you gotta buy a crucifix, a shotgun, and some holy
But before
water.
I do, let me introduce him.
I'm kinda good with not meeting him.
I'm sure he would love to meet you.
That's cool. I don't want to meet him. You've all heard of Little Nightmares. Well, prepare yourself for it. He's still not there. Prepare yourself for Dog Nightmares.
Bailey?
Edna Bailey! Definitely not Bailey. Oh, we actually do have a little bit more at the end of this video.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Good job.
So unsettling. Next up we have Because You Are Like Family to Me. If you couldn't tell that this series was based around people that either love dogs, or a creepy dog with the mask over, or the drawings over people's faces, you gonna learn. Why has that one got fangs on his face? That tongue just tells me that that's a goofy person behind that picture. I have no idea if this music is copyrighted or not. If it is, it'll probably be dealt with. Why are they a devil dog? Why are they a devil dog? Why are you sad? What is happening in this photo? What does this mean? Oh no, now you're drawing different animals for faces, not just dogs. Okay. Something's obviously happening in these photos. It's really not great when you have family photos that can capture a moment. It's like, oh yeah, we all started fighting and arguing. Or someone got hurt and someone snapped a photo of this. Those are not memories you want to look back on. A figure just comes running by, tackles on the sand. Next up, we got Be Kind to Yourself. And again, just the big theme of dogs. Love it. You gotta love it. And I do enjoy that you don't get to fully see the people. You get to see the creepy humanoid dog, but that's about it. You don't ever really get to see the people's faces. What are you gonna wish for on your birthday? It's a happy day. That's a really green cake. Not gonna lie. Could go for a slice of cake. Be kind to yourself. Yes. Be kind to yourself. You're all awesome. Now we have Fishing for Ghosts. And trust me, I got the same face you do if I saw that behind someone. Be like, no. I would be telling everybody in my family, stay away from that house. They might have good candy, but the guy got some weird stuff. Emily, I'll be working late, so I won't be able to trick or treat with you. I'm sorry, honey. I left you something to eat in the fridge. I love you. I love this animation style. Okay, so it's past 8. So silent and dark. I have made it.
Okay. You can come out now.
I've made it chills and I don't want to move. But I don't want to be here. Oh, fudge me. I moved. And it just got worse. Turn the lights off. Turn it back on and see what happens. Wonder how many times this child has also told their parents, we have a humanoid dog that lives upstairs. Sure we do, honey. You go play with your imaginary friend! What the fudge was that? Oh, fudge, that scared the crap out of me. Oh, that got me good. I'm good. Okay. My senses are regulated. Would you be tempted with the cheeseburger? It's kind of like a Scooby snack. But for weirdo things like you. But first you gotta go trick-or-treating.
Oh, hang on, hon. Those must be the trick-or-treaters.
You're in for a very terrifying sight.
Oh my my goodness, look at you. What lovely costumes you guys have.
No. Still not over how bad that jump scared me. That got me really freaking good. That was absolutely amazing. I'm here for it, and I absolutely love it. If you want to go check out Dog Nightmare's channel, which I recommend that you should, if you have not watched any of the earlier entries, link is in the description below. If you enjoyed this as much as I did, though, make sure to smash that like button. Let me know what you thought about these in the comments down below. And if there's anything you'd like to see me react to in the future, give me some suggestions right down below. Take them all into consideration. And if you're new around here and you've been enjoying what you're seeing, why not click that subscribe button and click that bell to get notified of my next video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.
Thank you.